Hi all, good morning. Welcome back for joining this session. We are from Big Learning for Big Minds team, and today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic again. So the agenda of today's session is we are going to cover what is the difference between row number, rank, and dance rank. This is a very good entry question, as well as once you will start to work on ETL or data warehouse projects, any of these you will start to use in real time. Okay, so let's jump to the SQL and at SQL server and learn it. So when we talk about the difference between row number, rank, and dance rank, so I will say like we will discuss the difference in two parts. Okay, like part one is when we do not have repeated record. I mean, we will not have duplicate records on the specific column, right? Like we are going to use a salary column. So in that salary column, we will not have any kind of repeated record in a salary column. Okay. Second part is part two. We do have a repeated record. It means we will have a duplicate salary, right? So we will cover both parts. So let's learn first the part one, where we do not have any duplicate records. Okay, so let's learn the first part first. We do have this table, the employee detail unique, employee underscore details underscore unique. Let's see the data. So if you will see, the last column is salary column, and we do not have any repeated data here in this. So if we don't have any repeated data, then we can use row number, rank, dance rank. We will assign all these three to this column, and we will find what is the difference. Okay, so let's start and use those. So first I'm going to assign a row number over. We have already discussed in detail how to use row number, partition by, order by, and all in the previous session. So order by salary. Okay, let's give any alias like row underscore num. Okay, this is a row number. So you can execute query and check how it is working. So you can see like we do have total 11 records, and row number is uniquely assigned to each rows. Okay, so it is it is incremented by 1 for each record, and we have assigned 11 to all 11 records one unique row number. Okay, now let's assign the rank. Use rank function over order by, same column, order by salary as, let me use an alias for this as well, as rank underscore num. And let's see how rank is assigned to this column. Okay, so if you will see, rank is assigned uniquely to each record. Okay, and the same, whatever row number was working, in the same manner rank is working. Okay, so there is not any difference. Okay, there is no difference between rank and dance rank and row number if record is not repeated. Okay, let's see the third, dance rank over Again, we will use the same syntax, order by salary. We will assign a alias like dense num. Okay, let's execute this and see what is the difference. So if you will see the dense rank, this is again working in the same manner how row number and rank was working. So it means if record is not repeated in the salary column, then row number, rank, and dense rank, all three working in a same. There is not any difference when there is not any repeated data, means there is no duplicate data. Okay, so if there is no duplicate data, then you can use any of these functions. All will work in a same way. There is a zero difference. Okay, so this is a part one. Now let's move the part two. If there is a repeated data, so here in part two, we do have some repeated data, some duplicate data in a specific column, means in salary column. Okay, so we do have this employee detail table. Okay, let's see the data in this employee detail table. So here we do have these records. If you will see, we have total 18 records. Okay, we have total 18 records. Like if you will see the first record, Yogesh, salary is 10,000. There is two more Yogesh at row number 16 and 17. You will see the salary 10,000, 10,000. Means this is a repeat record multiple times. And we do have more repeated record as well in this table. So our scenario, to have a duplicate data in salary column, we already have. It means we can start our work for part two, how rank, dense rank, and row number works when there is a repeated data. Okay, so let's see one by one. Let me use first a row number. Okay. So let me copy the syntax of row number from the above query. The row number, I'll use this row number. So let me execute this query and we'll see how it is working. Let me execute this. So if you can see, like row number, when data is repeated, like first two records are repeated, 2350, 2350. So row number is assigned unique row number assigned to duplicate record as well. And at high level, you can see, you can tell like one unique row number will be assigned to each record, to each row. One unique row number will be assigned to each record, to each row. Okay, it does not take care if there is repeated data or not. It doesn't work in that way. Okay, that's why it is assigning a unique row number to each and every record. So this is something how row number works. Now let's see how rank works. Let me copy the same syntax from the above query and let's use that. Let me execute the query. Now you can see, like in case of rank, you can see if there is a repeated data, it does not take care how many times of repeated data, whatever data, if any data, any record is repeated, in a table multiple times, so a unique rank will be assigned to all repeated values. Like in the first two record, these are the repeated record, so only one rank will be assigned to these two record to these two records. Why we are assigning one value, one rank? Because these two having same value, so to one value rank, only one rank can be assigned. This is a main advantage of the rank. So this, like 2350, this is a unique record in between these first two rows. Okay, that's why we are assigning only one unique rank to these two. Like we are starting from 1, so 1 that will be assigned to the first two records. Now next record is 8000 and next again 8000. Okay, so in case of this, it will skip a rank. How rank is skipping? Like the row number. First record, it is assigning 1, then it is jumped by 1 and it will assign 2, right? In that way. So next third record, it will assign 3. Automatically, it will be increased by 1 for the next record. Here, in case of rank, how many times are repeated record? 2 times. Okay, like 1 is extra record over there, 1 is repeated record. Okay, so if 1 is repeated record, automatically it should be increased by 1. It should be 2, but why it is 3? Because 1 was the repeated record, so that's why it is 3. Now if any record will be repeated twice, like this is repeated twice, so 1 is extra record, so it is skipped one rank. Now if any record will repeat 3 times, so it will skip by 2. Okay, we'll see that scenario as well. Let's see first over here. Like first 2 records, we do have repeated records, so we will assign 1 rank to these 2, like 1 1. Now the next rank would be like 1 is repeated, next should be 2, but in case of rank we will jump by 1 as it is a repeated record, so it is 3. Now we do have 8000 twice, so again 3 will be assigned to all these 2 records. So again we do have 1 repeated record over here, so it will be skipped 4. So now we are here at 5. Again 2 more record over there, so 5 will be assigned to both, right? Because both are the same number. The unique number is 9000, so it is assigned, rank will be assigned based on unique number. Okay, so 5 will be assigned. Now it is repeated by 1, so again it will skip 1 number. Okay, so next would be 7. Now 10,000 repeated 3 times. See here guys, here your previous query will be resolved. Like it is repeated 3 times. Now how many are the duplicate record? 2 duplicate records. So how many jump would be there? 2 jumps. Okay, so basically ideally it should be 8 if not repeated record, but why not it is 8, why it is 10? Because 2 were the repeated record, so that's why it is 10. Okay, so next is 10, then next is 30,000, then it is incremented by 1 to 11. There is no repeated record, so no skip in the rank. Next is 20,000, that's why we are just incrementing by 12, well assigned to this. Next is 20500, so it is again incremented 1 and 13 assigned to this. Now next record is repeated 3 times, so 13 then plus 1 because there was no repeated record, so 14 will be assigned to this. Okay, now two are repeated records here. Two are repeated record. Now here are, as you can see, two extra records here. If two extra records, then next rank would be jumped by 2. So ideally that should be 15, but two are repeated record here. So 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. So here is 17. So to 34,000, it will assign 17. To the next record, it will assign 18. So this is how rank works if data is repeated. For the all repeated record, it will assign one rank. For all repeated record, it will assign one rank. Okay. Now let's move to the dense rank. Let me copy from the above query how dense rank works. Okay, and let's see the output. Let me execute this. Here is your outcome. Like dense rank, you can say the combination of row number and rank. How? Why I'm saying combination? Like if data is repeated, like for first two records 2350 2350, if data is repeated, then it will assign one dense rank. Like one will be assigned to both, like 1 1. Next we do have two more records 8000, then it is incremented by 1. Okay, it is not skipping any record. Okay, like then again we do have two duplicate records over here, one repeated record. Okay, then we will assign 2 over here. For the next record 9000, it will assign 3, but here 9000 came twice, it is a repeated record, then it will assign 3 to both of them. Now to the next record 10,000, it will assign 4, but 4 is repeated 3 times. I mean 10,000 is repeated 3 times, then 4 would be assigned to all those 3. Next 10,000, 11,000, then 5 assigned to 11,000. Now next record is 13,000, 6 would be assigned. Next is 20,000, 7 would be assigned. Then next would be this, and 8 would be assigned. These are not repeated record. Now it would be 9 would be assigned to 24,000, but 24,000 repeated 3 times. So all 24,000, all 3 records will have a same dense rank 999, right? Next is 34,000. Okay, so next rank is dense rank is 10 would be assigned to this, right? Next record is 35,000. So this is unique record. The next rank is 11 would be assigned to this. So this is something rank, dense rank, and row number works. So I was saying like dense rank is a combination of row number and rank. Why I was saying like the first property for the duplicate records, for the repeated records or duplicate records, rank always 1. I mean one number will be assigned to the repeated record. Like here first 2 records 1 is assigned. For the next 2 records, these are the 2 records, so only one rank would be assigned to 8,000. Okay, even if it is coming 1 time, 2 time, or 10 time, only one rank can be assigned, right? So here we are assigning one rank, that is 3 to all those. I mean for repeated records we are assigning one rank. Same case in dense rank, if record is repeated, then we are assigning one rank. Like for first 2 record we have assigned only 1. For next 2 records we have assigned only 2. For next 2 records we have assigned only 3. For next 3 records we have assigned only 4. I mean for the repeated record, the rank and dense rank works in the same way. But for the next record, whenever next record will come, okay, then it is jumped by 1. Okay, It is not skipping any record and any rank. Okay, like here it is not skipping. Okay, you will find all the values in the dense rank. Like this, in rank you will find all the values and it is increased by 1. So in the same manner it is works. That's why I'm saying the dense rank is kind of combination of row number and dense rank. So I mean, let me repeat it again. So I can say, or you can say, dense rank is a combination, can be a combination of row num and rank. Okay, because one of the property it is using from rank and one of the property it is using from row number. That's why it is a combination of row number and rank. You can say like this. So I think you have got all the differences. I mean, these two differences. The first part, if we don't have any repeated data, duplicate data in a table in salary column, then you will have the outcome, whatever outcome will come, it means you will not be able to see any difference in row number, rank, and dense rank. All three functions work in the same way if there is no repeated data in that column. But if we do have a repeated data, in a column, then row number, rank, and dense rank, all three works in a different way. Okay, like row number will be assigned uniquely to each record. The rank will be assigned 1 to all the repeated records, and it will jump by the rule. If record is repeated twice, then it will skip one of the record. If record is repeated thrice, then it will skip 2 records, 2 rank basically. Okay, so in that way rank works. In case of dense rank, it does not skip any rank. If any repeated record is there, so it will assign 1 value, and for the next record it will increase by 1. So it is not skipping any rank. So for next to record it is assigning 2. So for the next record it will assign 3. So if those are repeated records, so 3 will be assigned twice. So this is something, a very basic difference between rank, dense rank, and row number function. I have given you 2 good examples and I have given you 2 parts of the difference. You can use these and do the practice. If you feel like this video will help you, then you may subscribe this channel. If you will subscribe, so whatever video we will upload next time, you will get a notification, and those videos can help you a lot. Thank you so much.